I'm going to go ahead and put these two pieces together. You want to make sure that you dowel your bottom cake here, and then you're going to use a little bit of frosting. To stick it in. Okay. I can't see if that's centered or not. Okay. A little bit of frosting. Make sure you've got those dowels in. And what I've got here is, this is just a drum, which is just a piece of styrofoam. This is a 5-inch piece by 2 inches, and all I did was just cover it with fondant to match my cake. But I'm going to use it as my support, and I put the dowels in this cake here, the 8-inch cake. I've got the dowels in it, but this is just a nice solid piece, so I don't need a plate, a separator plate, or a piece of cardboard. So I can just go ahead and put some frosting on this to secure it. It doesn't really matter which side I use. I've made some more pearls out of sugar, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to actually use them as my base border here. Now, if I want, I can go ahead and attach it with, attach it with frosting. If my gap is really big, I would do that. I go ahead and do that. I'm thinking my gap's going to be okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and just put the pearls on with water. I'm going to go ahead and put the pearls on the base of this dummy cake that I've got up here, and I'm going to go ahead and use Royal Icing for it. As you can see, I've got the drum dummy here, and then the 6-inch dummy on top. I'm going to go ahead and use icing, just some Royal Icing. Okay, and then we'll just clean that up. Get so it looks like it joins in the middle. Clean up any excess icing. Okay, we're ready to start the center section here. And what I've done is I've taken a shortcut because this cake takes a long time to do as it is. So I've bought some pre-made gum paste flowers. You can actually do icing flowers if you want to do, by all means, but I like the look of gum paste flowers. It's a very delicate looking cake, and I find them very delicate looking. So I bought some gum paste flowers.